She went that way, and that was the last time we saw her.
She don't got a phone?
Nope.
You seen the cops right there?
Yeah.
They didn't talk to y'all or no?
Yeah.
They can't. Oh, they talked to y'all? What'd they say? What is up, guys? It's your boy Lies, aka MotoBroo, and we're out here following the quad homies. I'm just trying to keep up with them, to be honest. This is crazy. What happened? He stopped? Let's go. We got dirt bike homies out here. Rango out here. Let's go. Oh, cut Rango off. Ow! I cut Rango off and then I got hit by a stick. Ooh, there's a bumpy section right there with all them roots. Let's go, bro.
How you doing, bro?
Good, man. How are y'all? Everyone hitting the Yui. Let's go, gang. Bro, these are some sick bikes out here. KTM, Husqvarna, Yamaha. It's good, bro.
How you doing?
Good, man. Where are we going, gang? Well, we vibing. Oh my god, I can't see. Bro, the damn UTV is blowing so much goddamn smoke or sand. Let's go! Everyone out here. Bro, that's a cop right there, bro.
My girl, she's going a little, the four-wheeler, red four-wheeler.
She lost or something?
Yeah, ran out of gas or something like that.
You seen the cops right there?
Yeah.
They didn't talk to y'all or no?
Yeah.
They can't. Oh, they talked to y'all? What'd they say?
Looking for some dude with a mohawk.
Oh.
Yeah. Some fugitive, I guess. I don't know. Yeah.
Where's she at?
She went that way, and that was the last time we saw her.
She don't got a phone?
Nope.
I'll go ride over there real quick.
Yeah, you just keep your eye out, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I didn't even see that freaking four-wheeler, bro. Oh my god, bro. I literally ran right into homie. I appreciate it, bro. This thing have a rear brake?
Yeah.
Can I try to wheel it?
Okay.
This is like a Chinese quad, right?
Yeah.
It got electric start? What the hell? You went crazy mudding in this shit, bro.
Hey, click to go back in here.
Say what?
It's heel click to go up in here, like 1, 2, 3 back.
So up, right?
Yeah. There you go.
I think I f***ed up your seat.
Oh.
How much was this thing?
I paid $300 and then I rebuilt it.
300, nice.
I got $500 into it.
Yeah, I suck at quad wheelies, so every time I like would lift up a quad, it always wants to wheelie one way or the other.
Yeah, no, it's tire pressure.
Yeah. Ooh, flying by. Bring it up like higher. Even higher, bro, higher. I'm teaching homie on that wheelie and Chinese spit bike. You gotta bring it like this, like way up, higher. Once you bring it a certain amount up, the bike starts to feel weightless, and it feels like you're gonna fall back.
I know, but like, how did you do it?
Just top it.
Like this?
Yeah, just with the brake. My foot's always hovering over the brake.
Oh, okay. You're not even touching it.
No, I'm not touching it. When I'm about to go too far back, then I tap it. Hey, you gotta pull harder. Oh, the whole engine shaking. Something about them whoops, bro. That whoop section right there is just, it's fire, dog. It's literally so sick.
Hit me some girls calling my way assorted. Cops in the back, fuck Trump. Living too fast, ain't reading the talk. I got a chick, she on go. She hold it down for my bros. Shorty, she keeping me right on my toes. Shorty, she keeping me right in my zone. She acting like it's the next episode. Bringing me up while she letting you go.